C0379. That's the issue. Which is the front axle actuator circuit issue, and it would switch between 4 and 2, but it would flash and give service 4-wheel drive message. I replaced the front axle actuator connector because it was corroded, and I found that when I was checking the brown wire for voltage, it had a full 14 volts when charging. But when I wiggled the harness, it was fluctuating to 0, so that gave me an indication that there was something wrong in the wiring harness. I followed the wiring harness from the front axle actuator, and there's a connector underneath the fuse box. Once I disconnected that connector, I could see that it was corroded inside. The other side had pins which were corroded too, and it was too corroded to just clean. So what I did is I snipped the connectors out on both sides and I just soldered the wires together. So now I'm gonna check to see if it works. And as you can see, it got pinched here. So whoever plugged that in got that pinched, and it let water in, and then it corroded the metal. All right, let's see if this 4-wheel drive works now. Okay, we never had a problem going into 2 from 4, but going into 4 from 2 was always an issue. Seems to be working right now, which is a relief. Auto. So far, so good. Switching quickly, too. Oh. Alright, let's see if it'll go into 4 low, which it should. Yeah, 4 low. Back to 4. Yeah. And park. And we can go back to 2. And back to 4. Alright, now this is definitely fixed. Hopefully this will help you. If you have the same issue, definitely check that connector.